Being a manufacturer in Michigan is a great opportunity. This is the home of automotive. My name is Josh Tucker and I'm the head of purchasing and machinist here at Tucker Induction. We typically deal with the automotive industry, but we're also in agricultural, aerospace, and defense. Most of the things we do here is done manually on a Bridgeport. Being a machinist, I kind of know the pain points of machining. You know, we spend most of the time on setups. At the time we were running this job where it was over 200 individual loops. Each loop had about 4 different setups. So we were like, can we make this faster, stronger? Any kind of improvement is what we were after. So this part right here is what we printed to alleviate all those zeroing operations in the machining and indicating in where each feature needs to go on this loop. This actually cut our machine time down almost by half. So the continuous fiber reinforcement feature is great because sometimes you do need that extra little bit of strength or added support. And the cool thing about this is with Eiger, I was able to reinforce all the walls by adding extra wall layers and roof layers, as well as a stronger solid infill to be able to withstand going in and out of the vise hundreds of times through the process. We've had no prior experience with 3D printing, but the printer showed up and we hit the ground running. So Markforged University was amazing. Design to final production part, anything in between, it takes you through it in a way that you can follow. And like for me, myself, who had no prior experience in 3D printing, could read along with it and learn throughout it. And without that, I wouldn't be where I'm at today, printing successful parts. I'm not an engineer. I mean, I'm a machinist. I use it every day and it's completely functional and easy to understand. Internally, additive has been a huge success here. Everyone here loves it. They're constantly coming up and seeing what's being printed, constantly giving me ideas of what we can print in the future and where we can head with it. Even things like holding fixtures for their nozzles or their air hoses. Anything to help them out, they're all about it. They all enjoy it. For being honest, I'm the limiting agent for that machine, and it's kind of a cool mindset to have, to know that you can keep pushing forward and moving forward.